Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular drawing hall over here. So let's continue it. So now very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be continuing with this table section over here. So let's go into it. I'll again go into the line and I can just, if you want, I can just directly use insert also over here. So that is also possible. I'll just slightly shuffle this over here, enable in viewport. I'll just push it over here, go into the vertices, shuffle it down. I'll go onto the top view, duplicate that. So select this, shift and drag, duplicate that. Shift and drag. First let's just go on duplicating it. After that, so now what I can do over here is like I'll just go over here and I'll attach all of this together. So select the vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, right click, fuse vertices, weld vertices. So let's just fuse and weld it. So once you're done, I can just select all of this, or else I'll convert this to editable poly, select all of the vertices and slightly scale from the center and just give and isolate. So I'll slightly scale this, push it down if required. So once you're done, one more thing we forgot over here is like we can do this fillet option also. So that can also be done. If you want, you can do that. Select this part. I'll select this edges over here and let's give a bit of chamfer. So give a chamfer over here slightly. So we can make this tray kind of stuff over here. So just take a box over here, slightly just rotate it, put it over here. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, insert it, bevel this, So you can bevel it inside over here. Let's click OK over here. I'll just go over here and I'll make a bottle for this plants. For that, let's take a line over here. So let's just take a line tool. So you can just select the vertices and let's give fillet over here. After that, I'll go into the modifier list and I'll give a lathe modifier. I'll make it as max over here. I'll go into the vertices. Select this all. So I'll just make it a bit long. You can push this up if required. So shuffle this till here. So I'll just convert to editable poly. So go into the polygon section. I can go into the modeling. I'll just put one swift loop over here. Select this. Let's give a bit of bevel. So select this polygons over here, slightly insert it. Alright. So I can just delete that area if not required. I'll go into this. I'll slightly shuffle this down. If you want, I can just select this and slightly just scale it, push it behind. So I can go into this view. I can just take a line tool. So just select all of this. So enable in viewport. So very first of all, I'll attach all of this. So let's just attach. Enable in viewport and reduce its thickness and slightly alright. We can give the leaf section afterwards also, not a problem. So I can slightly just push it over here. You can make it a bit thicker, not a problem. Alright, I'll just give one color to it. So we'll go with this leaf section later on. So I'll just make this basic kind of a caricature, not a caricature, we can say a model over here. So I'll just take a basic sphere over here, because we are going to do a very blocking section. So I'll reduce this. Just push this up. Convert to poly. Select this, just put some connects over here. Go into the vertices. So I can put one swift loop at the center. Can just put some. So go into the polygons, slightly just extrude that, extrude it individually. So select these edges and these edges, give a bit of chamfer. So select the polygons, just slightly extrude that and isolate. I'll just slightly just push this up. Select the polygons. So what I'll do is like I'll slightly just rotate it. Select this, extrude a bit, extrude it, and extrude it down. So select this and slightly push it in this way. Even you can see we are just doing basic detailing. We're not making a character over here. So again push this down. So let's just give a swift loop everywhere. So once you're done, you can just give a turbo smooth over here. And just scale it. So make it more smaller. and let's slightly duplicate that, rotate it. So just save your file over here. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We'll definitely continue with the next part over here. As you can see, we have done few of the details, so it took a bit of time. So stay tuned for more tutorials on KO tutorials. So thanks for watching this tutorial.